at the Montana IAA, picking up a car today, and I wanted to preview a couple too. So here we are. Most of the stuff they have here is pretty wrecked. It's wrecked, but some of the stuff is really nice. It just depends. See a little Beamer? I like these little Saturns. Haven't brought one in yet. Ooh, Park Avenue over here. Came to look at this Courier. It is pretty rust-free. A little bit there. It's not that rust-free. There's more on the front. Right there. Yep. That's why you come look. Oh yeah. Rusted mirror right off this thing. There goes my Impala out of the truck. Actually, this Ranger is a pretty sweet rig. I was looking at it online. I didn't know it would be up this week. And I don't know. 4.0. Got some rat turds on it. So it's been sitting. Lots of rat turds, actually. I ain't scared of rat turds. It's leathered out. Let's see now. You can't start these. And it's dead anyways. I'm gonna bid on this. I like this. It's a nice truck. What year is this? 06. In yellow. It's one of my favorite colors. Okay, they got an Xterra. That had a shit ton of miles. I'm here looking for a conversion van, and I just found it. They've got a whole van section down there. This is a pretty sweet little car. The roof's about gone, but there ain't no rust. I seen it online. Color Supreme, got all the rockers. I mean, you gotta expect that on the tops. That back paint sure is checked, man. And then, you got this. It's been here for quite a while. No clue when it's coming up. It's an 83. And it's a coupe. Reading 21. Probably 121. Hey, it could be 21, man. Look at those pedals. It's pretty clean. Huh. Ooh, that's a nice Charger. Whole front end chunked out. Man, this is a rust-free Coupe de Ville, man. Of course it has to be a 4100. Huh? That's neat. That is neat. Okay, they do have also over here a really cool Lincoln. They do get the charity stuff here too. Who have lost their loved ones due to drinking and driving. Assholes. Designated driver. Yeah. Fucking people drinking and driving. It's just stupid. Huh. Pretty neat little car. It's just not clean enough. Absolutely not clean enough. It smells like rat piss. Whoa. That was pretty harsh. Okay, well, heading over to my van. You know what? There's a lot of stuff here. One thing I couldn't tell online is how much of the paint was missing from the top up here. But it has a little sink. It doesn't have the middle captain's chairs. It looks like it doesn't have a spot. Well, there's a spot for them right there. Yeah. I don't know. I think this may be a little far gone. It's nice enough, but it's just missing too many seats. Got the caps. Don't got the rings. Wow. Can you say rust? Yeah. I don't want this thing. 158. No door panel. Yeah. Well, came here for nothing. You can say that. Look at all those trailers. Wow. Wonder when those are coming up. I'm gonna ask them. Okay, well, back to the front. Just wow. 2 rows thick. I don't know what these are. Maybe some kind of FEMA housing or something? What the heck? Ritchie Brothers Inspection Operations. So it's a Ritchie Brothers deal at here. IAA. Homegrown trailers. Wow. There's just so many of them. Okay, well, that is it. That is it. Lots of trailers. I've always thought of taking one of these and just cutting the sides off. And then you have a flatbed. I don't know if it's possible though. It's all aluminum steel. Looks like it would be. Wow. Pretty neat aluminum trailer here. They got a Riata, but kind of smack somebody in the rear end, it looks like. Huh. Bummer. All these railroad trucks have like 400,000 miles on them, and they can't sell them. Not even like 300 bucks a piece. A lot of them don't run. Nice tractor. Big storm. Tree fell on that. There's from the other side. Just had a huge storm here. Well, that's it. Not that cool of a walk around, but it was a walk around. Well, there we go. Picked up the Impala. Clean car. It's got some rock chips that hit this and got it all chipped up. But other than that damage, pretty damn clean. Leathered out. Nice car. 121 on it. It's a LS, so it's got the spoiler and all. Kind of hard to beat. I like it. I like it. New inventory in. Just got this 04 Impala LS. Nice car. We're going to redo the headlights. Might order new ones. Hope this works. It's a very windy day. Leathered out, spoilers and everything. This thing's clean. It's a nice car. The Ford, we got done with the floor, which is really cool. I mean, you can't even tell we did anything to the floor. It's like, boom, all that's replaced. Pretty cool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your rubber flooring, rubber mats on any old truck from this to this. Matching perfectly and everything. It really does look good. In the middle of this video, we were doing the flex paste and they sent us the wrong color and it was hard. I didn't get the actual spreading of the flux pool. Records everywhere. New auction items. We got all kinds of new auction stuff. Table and chairs. Had to leave the chairs at the auction. Just got the table. But it's a Thomasonville. Thomasonville? I don't know. But we're talking super, super nice table. Other than that, armoire. We got an old Lane cedar chest. And this here thing. Hope it didn't get too scratched up. Desks. Got a buggy for a horse buggy. Got a $5 barbecue. Got a crack chaser and a crack sealer over there. Got a road sign. It bends in half. I wanted this road sign. I like road signs. Hey, what?
I show you something.
Oh, you're gonna get in the desk? Okay.
You can have this for you won't break your leg anymore.
I won't break my leg.
But you have
Look at this.
on.
We got 3 box carries of some of the best albums that I've really ever seen. I don't remember what all this is. All Christmas lights.
And there's a wheel thing now, and someone put
Look at this.
something inside.
Seriously, like everyone. I mean, this album here is money. Andy Gibbs, Commander Cody.